everybody, Dallas Fisher here at Montana Drone Company. And Dallas, what are you up to today? Well, I get to map a ski lift, the Ramcharger lift up here at Big Sky, Montana. And most of it's done up at the top of the mountain. So right now I am just relaxing and I'm on a little ride up top of the mountain. So you can't even see back behind. There we go. Nothing like a little fall ride up the mountain.
A couple cool things about doing this mapping mission up here is one, being able to fly in Big Sky Resort property. Again, this is all off limits unless you have permission. Once you turn off the main highway and see the Mountain Village sign, then you're on Big Sky Resort property and you need permission to fly up here. The second one though that's really cool is being able to use the terrain awareness function in our DroneDeploy mapping software, where again at the base here to the top is about 1,500 feet elevation change. But we're flying this entire mission at about 150 feet above each ground point. So it automatically adjusts each time using all the drone sensors to fly right up the mountain, right up the chairlift, and get all the data points we need so we can analyze it later on the computer software. Now you do have to use iPhone software for this right now. They don't have it for Android, but I got my iPhone here. We're gonna launch in the top. We're gonna create a bunch of data points.
Pretty cool gig. Again, we're just mapping this for some maintenance projects just to double check everything. So it's one of the many things we can do. Mapping, video, photos. We do all sorts of stuff with the drone. So if you need anything, give us a call. Montana Drone Company. Thanks, everyone. Awesome.